You told me about this one. There's a new BlackBerry phone coming. Will. With 5G.
2021.
A hardware keyboard. Which it would kind of have to have if you're going to call yourself a BlackBerry and if it's going to be a meaningful thing that anyone's going to pick up in the headlines or pay attention to, marketing, or get excited about, because everything else has been done now. We've seen this every slab, every which way. So you want to put the BlackBerry badge? Well, if the market's going to support anything with a BlackBerry badge, it's probably going to be a keyboard because you can't get it anywhere else. Now, I don't know if you recall, but BlackBerry, the brand's getting passed around. It's been getting passed around like a basketball. Raptors are up 102-96 right now, and there's 1 minute, 12 seconds left. And as a playoff game, that's game 2. So BlackBerry, the brand's been getting passed around like the Raptors move the ball. Except it hasn't worked out. Companies like TCL, the last to be manufacturing devices with the BlackBerry badge on it, they ended the partnership entirely, but it ain't over yet. A Texas startup called Onward Mobility is licensing the brand. It's going to have 5G capability, as mentioned. It's set to launch next year. And the details are kind of a bit secretive at the moment, but the CEO of Onward Mobility says it's going to have a top-notch camera. That I find kind of hard to believe, but it's going to have a top-notch camera, a huge security focus. Again, a thing you would think would exist with if you're going to be interested in a BlackBerry. It's going to have some productivity, a productivity focus. The specs will probably fall a bit short from the usual flagship, and pricing is said to be competitive. So they come in at some sort of a budget price, maybe. Device is obviously going to run Android, as it would have to. And here's the interesting part. It's going to be built by FIH Mobile, which is a subsidiary of Foxconn. So they know how to build things well. I mean, we talk about Foxconn fairly frequently here.
Yeah, they have the logistics.
I heard they even built an iPhone here and there.
Yeah.
I heard every so often they spit out an iPhone. Here you are. Heard you wanted an iPhone. And so anyways, the 5G BlackBerry device will launch in North America and Europe sometime during the first half of 2021. So anyways, it's a Texas startup manufacturing via Foxconn. I don't know where that facility will be. That'd be kind of interesting to find out where they do that. But what does it matter? Are they really going to be able to hit volume well? Is BlackBerry going to be able to make a comeback? Is BlackBerry back? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought, Will. You're skeptical. You got the skeptical face on. 15 seconds left, Will. Raptors 102, Nets 99. 15 seconds left. Boy. I don't know which team has possession of the ball.